Hi friends, this is Nageshwan. Welcome to my channel ITBut143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use email merge in Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. Open Publisher 2007. We can use email merge when we want to send large number of messages that are mostly identical, but each of which also includes some unique information. For example, we can use email merge to create individually customized email messages that contain personalized notes or varying content targeted to separate customers. In this, most or all of the text is same, but email address is difficult for each customer. Here I'm selecting email publication type and select a suitable template. Click on create. Now I want to design this with my preferences. Here I have designed a publication for musical night. It is showing the time 5 p.m. and date of the program, and also it is showing the location, and people can contact us with either phone number or email ID showing here, and also it is showing the direction of the venue. If the respondent want to remove their name from our mailing list, they can click here, and also they can enter their questions or comments by emailing us at following mail ID, or they can call to this number. To start email merge, come to Tools menu and navigate to Mailings and Catalogs. Here, please select the option Email Merge. As we all know, to perform an email merge, we must have a data source, which is a file that contains unique information, which includes a list of names and email addresses. Here, I have created a data source list in Excel sheet with names and email IDs and place this in my data sources folder. Come to Publication, select Use an existing list. Click on Next, Create or Connect to a recipient list, and it will open the data sources folder defaultly, and select the list on Excel sheet. Click on Open. I have entered all the data in first sheet only, so I'm selecting that, and also select first row of data contains column headers. Click on OK, and it will open the Mail Merge recipient dialog box. It is showing the recipient information. And here we can perform sorting and filtering options. And if you want to find any duplicates in the list, click on Find Duplicates. Automatically it will show the duplicate entries, and we can use checkboxes to select the entries that we want to include in our merge. Click OK. Again click on OK. Now we can add the recipient information into our publication. And we can preview all the recipients by clicking on arrow. And after that, come to More Items, click on Insert Personalized Hyperlink. Before we can insert a personalized hyperlink, we must place the insertion point inside a text box. OK. I'm selecting greeting line. OK. Here I want a few text. Again come to More Items, click on Insert Personalized Hyperlink. In display text, add your notes. 50% off. And add the hyperlink, that is our website. Just for example, I am entering my YouTube channel address. After this, click on OK. Now the text is converted into the hyperlink. After this, click on Next, Create Merged Publication. In Select Email Merge Output, under Email Merge task pane, you will get different options. We can send this as email message to the selected customers, and we can also preview the email before we send it. Click on Email Preview, and it will open the browser to preview our email merge. And here it is showing the hyperlink. And we can use next and previous buttons to view each of our merged email messages. Again come to the publication. We can also use Design Checker to resolve the issues found with this email. Click on this, and here it will show the issues. We can fix them. Now click on Send Email. It will open Merge to Email window. In to field, it will consider all the mail IDs and type the subject line. Click on options and we can enter CC and BCC mail IDs, and also we can add attachments if any. After this, click on send, and here we got the notification you are about to send 4 email messages. Do you want to continue? Okay. And we got the reply: 2 of 4 email messages sent to outbox. Check your email client to ensure these emails were sent. Okay. Now let's check in the email client. Come to outbox, and here we got the invitation for musical night. Double click on this and it will show the email information, and they can also open the mail accounts to see the information. Let's click on hyperlink, press Ctrl and click on the link, and it will open the website in our browser. Again, come to the Outlook. Let's close this. Come to publication, and we can also print a copy of the recipient list to track the mailing, and we can save a shortcut to recipient list for use in a future merge, and we can also create a copy of the recipient list as a new file. Like this, we can use email merge in Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video to your friends, and please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.